Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add music to WhatsApp status easy guide. So if you want to add a status here onto your WhatsApp account and you want to add a music to that one, so there is no direct thing that you could do that one under WhatsApp app, then what you need to do is you need help onto the Instagram app. So just head onto your Instagram account and you'll just need to go ahead and choosing a photo or any photo that you want to upload onto your WhatsApp app as a background for your music, choosing a music in here or any music. So once you have added the music in there, so you'll just need to go ahead and save this certain video that you have in here. So let's add back the music. So once you have saved it, you'll just need to head back again here on WhatsApp and then add in a story. So click onto the camera icon in here, choosing the video that you just recently saved onto Instagram, and just click onto this green icon in here to go ahead and upload, and click onto your status, click onto send, and it should go ahead and upload that onto your status of your WhatsApp app. And that is how to add music to your WhatsApp status easy guide. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.